Folks, another day of spotty showers around the valley, but not much in the valley. Really quiet today. Most of the stuff that popped up, there's some up in Kennedy County, some stuff over in the mountains. If you remember last night about this time, there was stuff in the valley. We had a bunch over here, and some of that managed to creep into the upper valley about after 11 o'clock last night. I wouldn't be surprised to see something like that again, but as of this moment, nothing has formed, and we'll have to wait and see as we get into the evening hours. Satellite and radar together does show some patchy clouds moving overhead. We're getting an awful lot of high-level moisture coming all the way off the Pacific Ocean, but look to the north of us, and I think this is going to be the story all weekend long. We're going to be looking to the north for big-time rainfall. I think all the way up on the Texas-Oklahoma border, there's potential for some flooding rain this weekend. For us, I think we could see some heavy showers, even some thunderstorms, but the biggest stuff will certainly be north of the valley as all this moisture kind of comes together in Texas. A lot of moisture here now, tropical moisture coming into the west side of Mexico and into the southwestern part of the U.S., southeast New Mexico, west Texas, some of that in our watershed from an old tropical depression 19E, which was right down here. All that moisture spreading northward. Here's what happens over the next 24 hours. You get all that moisture working its way into Texas, and right along an old front up there, we're likely to see a whole bunch of rain. I think we're going to see big time rainfall again from North Texas up into Oklahoma tomorrow and probably into Saturday as well. That front makes it into Texas and stalls, but notice the moisture kind of gets squeezed down ahead of that front. We're going to be in the part where the moisture kind of gets squeezed. And with that, I think scattered showers, even a thunder shower possible Saturday night, and again on Sunday. That moisture is going to be pretty thick, so the potential is there. Now the front stalls, so that's the end of that. It's not going to get here, but down here we've got at least a lot of clouds, a lot of showers, a stalled frontal boundary just to the north. Lots of reasons why rain could continue into, like, say, Monday and then kind of taper off. Then the end of next week, we're watching for another front that may get close. Not sure if it's going to go through or not, but we're going to have to wait and see. But nonetheless, the model hinting that a front at least knocks on the door by the end of next week. We'll see if we're going to let it in or not. We'll have to wait. Tomorrow, then, is a mainly dry day. There'll be isolated showers, but not much action. Saturday, I think the day starts quiet, spotty showers, but then Saturday night into Sunday, you see a lot of green and yellows and oranges showing up. The suggestion is there could be some heavy rain Saturday night into Sunday, perhaps lingering all the way into Monday. So we're going 20, 50, 60, and I think Saturday, your best chance is late in the day, and then into Sunday at 60%. Then it comes down a little bit on Monday. But tomorrow, you're just looking at spotty stuff. Certainly for Friday Night Football, most games, if not all, should be dry. Might be some wet benches in a couple of places. That's about it. Southeast wind 16, the dew point's at 76, so it's humid. These are the current temperatures, 90 in Port Isabel, 93 in Weslaco. Overnight, we're in the upper 70s, southeast wind 6 to 12, and tomorrow back up in the 90s again. Without much rain around, we do climb into the mid-90s. There'll be some high clouds. If anything, that might hold temperatures down just a degree or two. We're going 95, 93, and then cooler Sunday. That's when we see our best chance for rain. Look at the Atlantic. All of a sudden it has come back to life, but there's nothing. There's no depressions, no storms or hurricanes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 systems we're tracking. This one has the best chance of developing as it meanders around in the North Atlantic. These other 3 systems all bear watch. None of them have a big chance of doing anything anytime soon, but we'll keep an eye on them and keep you posted over the next few days. So tonight, 78 for a low, partly cloudy and warm. Southeast winds, could be a stray evening shower. Then tomorrow, spotty storms, but only about a 20% probability. Your high, it's back to 95. We go to 94 on the first day of fall. Of course, fall doesn't begin till the evening, so I guess daytime is still summer, and then first day of fall completely is on Sunday. Spotty storms, only 88 degrees, a little cooler. Back in the 90s then, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The next front's in Texas. Question is, will it get here? We'll keep an eye on that and have an update for you coming up on Channel 5 News at 6. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.